Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at another cryptocurrency. The crypto market has moved up a little bit again after we had a few weeks of strong downside. So we want to take a look at the AVAX chart today to see if anything has changed and what the current outlook is. Let's go. So we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. Here, as you know, you can see our different categories of the assets that we're covering. Today, we want to click on the crypto section. You can register on this website completely for free, and then you can get all of these updates. You get a lot of updates on a daily basis. AVAX is covered regularly, but also Chainlink, Hedera Hashgraph, and many more. You can get a text update, a written update, including the important support resistance levels and the charts. So let's take a look at the weekly chart first. Let's first take a look at whether the overall outlook has changed at all. Okay, so we're dealing with the weekly chart here on the AVAX chart at the moment and the $103.64 level. As you can see here, the green line, the previous B wave top, remains a critical resistance level. This also is a breakout point that just needs to be crossed. Okay, if we want to get to new all-time highs, if we want to get to a third wave target there, magenta wave 3 between $315 and $351, then this level needs to be broken at $103.64. Very, very important. That's the next major resistance level here on the weekly chart. And we are now at the moment watching for a possible reaction here after this correction. Well, might be complete now or nearly complete. It started in March. And yes, the altcoin sector isn't in a really, really good state at the moment. Sentiment is really negative. There are still opportunities, but at the moment I would be a bit careful. I think it's too early to say the bear market is back because we've had weeks and weeks of corrections, but the market just hasn't given us the signal that the next rally has really started. The performance of the 2023 low to the March high this year was really impressive, but there is much more AVAX needs to do. So again, upside targets, medium term, long term for a third wave between 315 and 351 USD. Now, how can we get there? So let's take a look at the 4-hour chart to see if the market has bottomed. What are the probabilities? So this is the 4-day chart, not 4-day, 4-hour chart, and you can see here this decline in wave C of 2, so magenta wave C of blue wave 2. Price bottomed here locally at least at $17.44. That was the 5th of August low. Quite an important low point in the altcoin sector. A lot of cryptocurrencies bottomed there, at least locally. And we're now watching if they can actually generate the upside reversal signals that we need to see. Bitcoin in the last couple of days didn't perform too badly, but there is also much more work needed by the bulls to really confirm that we're going back up, that the bulls are making a comeback after this long correction. See, the problem is that structurally the move up here from the August low isn't really convincing. So we haven't labeled it here and there is much more work needed before we can really confirm that this is actually wave 1. But we are currently tracking it as if the low is in. It's just important that in this case the $17.44 level is holding. In case of another low, we might go a little bit lower, maybe just a marginally lower low in wave 2, which at the moment we have labeled, let's say tentatively complete at $17.44. Well, this wave 2 would then still be unfolding. We would then need to see what exactly the next targets are, but we are still, let's say, quite far away from the 2023 lows, so there is still space. It would be quite good if the low was in, because as you can see here from this swing high in March, the decline, we can actually count it as completed. We can actually interpret this move down as complete. Now, that doesn't automatically mean the low is in, but it means all the requirements for reversal are fulfilled. We just now need to see a rally. A break above the July high would be a good start to confirm an upside reversal, but we need a little bit more upside momentum and we need a proper structure. This at the moment, in my opinion, it looks like a 3-wave move up. I'm sure you can see it. So I'm not entirely convinced that the low is in. We've labeled it like that, but also because the market has reacted to the 78.6 retracement. That's normally, let's say, the last reliable support level for a wave 2. They can go go lower. This is not the invalidation point. Ideally, the low is in. It's just that the structure doesn't really convince me yet. Okay, so more work is needed. Break above the July high, as I said, it would help, and that could be really a good signal that a low has formed. So that's the update about AVAX Avalanche. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And also let me know in the comments if you're, interested in certain cryptocurrencies, certain other asset classes. So let me know in the comments which ones you like to be covered. Don't forget to register on the website, and have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.